Okay, we're going to show you a quick demonstration today for proof of delivery on the handheld barcode reader. And the first thing that you have to do is log in, and that would be the driver. So pick a name or type a name, and you have two choices here: logging back out or making deliveries. So click deliveries. Every action really comes to this screen first before you move on to the actual deliveries. Here you can stage a delivery or deliver an unstaged. You can edit, delete a staged delivery, or actually make a delivery of a staged delivery. So we're going to stage deliveries first. So we've got to create some stages. So I'll click new, and then I'm going to take the scanner over here and enter in a location, and then I'm going to add some items to that. Okay, I'm finished with the first stage. I'm going to stage another delivery here, so I'll click new. Okay, I'm going to scan some items here, 2 items for this stage. And that's all I'm going to do for right now. So what I want to do is go out and deliver these. Okay, so I would just click on deliver staged. I can enter a PO number if I have one. I do have one. I can even enter in a memo for this particular item I'm getting ready to scan. I don't have any that I want to scan or to enter. So I'm just going to scan in the items. If I were to scan a wrong item, it will tell me right away that it's not in that stage. So I look at the packages again and scan the correct item, and the barcode reader will beep a few times to let me know I'm done. I can review these, the pending deliveries I'm getting ready to get signed off on. There they are. I could delete one if I had to. And then proceed. So when I go to the proceed screen, this is where I would get a signature. First I will pick someone off a list that I normally deliver to. Jim Hall. Select him and get Jim to sign on the screen. Okay, when that's finished, then I just click accept, and I'm ready to go back to the screen and make the next delivery. Now I noticed that I'm at this a different location, and I put in the wrong location, and I need to change that. So I can edit that screen and change it from the location I had there, SP101. Let's say it's really SP1006. Click OK. I'm finished changing that. I click done, and now I'm ready to go ahead and double click that and go ahead and deliver it. I have a PO number I need to scan for that, and no memo, so I click on through to the next thing, which is item numbers. So I'm just going to scan these item numbers, and they're going to come off the screen as I scan them. All finished. I click proceed, and in this particular instance we'll say no one's there to sign for it, so I can accept it anyway. Now I have one more package that I have to deliver, and it's unstaged. In other words, I never staged it, but I have to make a delivery anyway. So I go to the location, put in the location. I can put in a PO number, and have no memo that I want to enter, so I'm just going to enter an item number and proceed. pick someone off the list here. Frank Mang. Go ahead and sign that, or have Frank sign it. Okay. And have Frank accept that. Okay. So that pretty much does it for that particular instance. And when you go back to the main menu here, it will tell you, how many deliveries you've made, how many actual packages you've delivered, how many different stops you made, and if there's any more stages. Okay, in this section I'm going to teach you how to change some of the features of proof of delivery. So first we click on the menu button here. Click on the menu button. Go to miscellaneous and go to options. Okay, in options you can change where you store the data. If you have an SD card, you could actually store it to an SD card by dropping down this pull down menu here. You can hide the review command. You can allow reviews or not allow, or allow review and delete. If you click on the tab here for app, then you can change the staging preference from location to PO, and that's what I'm going to show you. Change that to PO, and you can collect other fields, or let's say we don't want to collect memo. We can just uncheck memo, and then other things, the operations here, we can also show date and time if we wanted to. We could put passwords here, so you can't get in and change these options unless you have a password, and you can't exit the program unless you have a password. But I think that's all we're going to do for now. Just save this and click done. Okay, now we're ready to log in, create some stages. So Bill Crum will log in. You click on deliveries, and we're going to stage some deliveries here by PO number. So let's put in a PO number, and then let's add some items for that PO number. Okay, let's do one more stage. Click new, put a PO number in, add items, and click done. Okay, I'm finished with that, and now I'm ready to go make those deliveries. I'm going to deliver this first one with 3 items in it, and I click done here. Click deliver staged. So it's asking for a PO. There's the PO number. It's asking for a location first. Then there's the PO number. So I would enter in the location that I'm at. I can scan that. And then I just start scanning the items. Okay, so I'm finished. I scanned all 3 items that I'm going to deliver. Click proceed. And I pick someone off of the list. And I get Tom Hansen to make his signature. And all I have to do now is accept that. Okay. Now there's one other PO that that I had staged that I'm going to deliver now. So I click deliver staged, and there's the information on it. So all I have to do is scan in the location or type it in, and I will go ahead and scan in each of these items that I'm delivering to this location. Okay, when I'm finished, I can click proceed. In this case, there's no one to sign for it, but I can accept it anyway. Hit accept, and I'm done. It goes back here. I click, if I'm finished, I can just click done, and it'll show me my statistics.